Real estate photography business for beginners. Do you want to know how to start a real estate photography business in 2023? Although times may be tough with an unseen pandemic, there is money to be made in real estate photography in 2023. Do you want to learn how to make money with real estate photography? We have all the answers to what it takes to do professional real estate photography. Hi friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Whether you're a seasoned photographer looking to expand your skills or a beginner exploring new possibilities, this video is designed to help you get started. We answer your burning questions, including how much real estate photographers make and how to set your price. In addition, we cover important topics such as drone photography and best practices for capturing stunning real estate shots. So, let's dive in and explore how to launch a successful real estate photography business. Watch till the end if you are curious. If you want to build a real estate photography business but need a few things. Photography for real estate agents is a profitable way to earn a living. But first, you need to understand what real estate photography is. This niche industry involves the use of various tools to improve the appearance, marketing, and value of residential and commercial properties. Taking professional photos is just the beginning. Everything you need to know about how to start a real estate photography business can be found by contacting real estate agents and top tech providers and doing some research. Becoming a great real estate photographer takes some time to get up to speed, and the best way to start is by narrowing down the basics. What do real estate photographers do? The real estate photography business is all about presentation. You photograph and gather relevant information about properties for real estate agents so they can use them for marketing purposes. Get started with the most up-to-date camera system to help you capture well-composed photos, 3D tours, floor plans, and panoramas. When you are hired for a job, be sure to show up on time. Set the stage for your photo shoot and ensure proper lighting considering the time of day. Make sure you focus on the property and try to avoid making the property owner's objects the focus of the picture. Focus on structure, architectural design, landscaping, and built features. A typical photo session should take less than 1 hour, including gathering all your stills and accurate measurement information. What do you want to start? To get started as a photographer, you need the following: a DSLR camera, flash and tripod, a good internet connection, reliable transportation, photo editing skills or property photo editing associate. Needless to say, you also need to be a good photographer. That is the hardest part to learn and master. However, if you've put in the time to learn photography, you're already halfway there. How to become a great real estate photographer? It's not just about how to start a real estate photography business, it's about longevity. Becoming a professional photographer was your first step. By researching the needs of your number one client, realtors, you can transform yourself into a great real estate photographer. Real estate agents want someone who works with them and offers a quick turnaround time. Practice makes perfect, so practice using your high-tech camera equipment and follow tutorials provided by leading brands. You'll be up to speed in no time by choosing a camera system that captures all the data and snapshots agents are looking for. PropTech companies offers helpful tutorials that take you through the step-by-step process of creating the perfect real estate photography package for all your clients. Step 1. Plan your campaign. A clear plan is essential for success as an entrepreneur. It will help you map out the specifics of your business and uncover some unknowns. Some important topics to consider are: what would you name your business? What are the initial and ongoing costs? Who is your target market? How much can you charge customers? Step 2. Establish a legal entity. The most common types of business structures are sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, and corporation. Establishing a legal business entity such as an LLC or corporation protects you from personal liability if your real estate photography business is sued. Step 3. Register for taxes. You will need to register for various state and federal taxes before opening for business. You will need to apply for an EIN to register for taxes. It's really easy and free. Step 4. Open a business bank account and credit card. Using dedicated business banks and credit accounts is essential for personal asset protection. When your personal and business accounts are mixed, your personal assets are at risk if your business is sued. In business law, this is known as piercing your corporate veil. Step 5. Set up business accounting. Reporting your various expenses and sources of income is critical to understanding the financial performance of your business. Keeping accurate and detailed accounts will also greatly simplify your annual tax filing. Step 6. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits. Failure to obtain the necessary permits and licenses can result in heavy fines or even the closure of your business. Step 7. Get business insurance. Just like licenses and permits, your business needs insurance to operate safely and legally. Business insurance protects your company's financial well-being in the event of a covered loss. There are several types of insurance policies designed for different types of businesses with different risks. If you are unsure about the types of risks your business may face, start with general liability insurance. This is the most common type of coverage small businesses need, so it's a good place to start for your business. Step 8. Define your brand. Your brand is what your company represents and how your business is perceived by the public. A strong brand helps your business stand out from competitors. Step 9. Create your business website. After defining your brand and creating your logo, the next step is to create a website for your business. Creating a website is an essential step, and some may fear it is out of their reach because they have no experience building websites. This may be a reasonable fear in 2015, but the past few years have seen great advances in web technology that make the lives of small business owners much simpler. Step 10. Set up your business phone system. Setting up a phone for your business is a great way to help keep your personal life and business life separate and private. That's not the only advantage. It helps you automate your business more, gives your business legitimacy, and makes it easier for potential customers to find and contact you. What makes a good real estate image? Your photos sell homes, which means they have an important role in highlighting the property's best features. When it comes to home photography, some beginner mistakes can easily be avoided by using these tips. When it comes to home photography, there are some beginner mistakes that can be easily avoided using these tips. Always use a wide-angle lens. Have you ever noticed that quality real estate photography can make even the smallest spaces look spacious? Well, the trick to that is a wide-angle lens. A wide-angle lens has a shorter focal length and allows more of the scene to be included in the image, improving perspective. Emphasize the room's best features. Focus on living room shot wall furniture. Every room has one main feature that you can focus on, whether it's a beautiful picture window or a rustic fireplace. What separates professional real estate photography from the apprentice hours is understanding what makes each room special and emphasizing that to the viewer. Avoid bad weather and lighting. Yes, working with nature's unpredictable schedule can be difficult, but if it's too foggy or muddy, your property photography may not look as great as you'd hoped. If you're good at photo editing, you can account for unpredictable weather forecasts and turn a cloudy sky into a beautiful sunset. As a skilled editor, this should also be reflected in your real estate photographer's pricing. Take advantage of new technology. If you want to make your real estate photography stand out, or you just want to make a little more money, real estate drone photography may be a good option for you. Read on for more information on using camera drones to take your real estate photography to another level. You don't need to come from a specific background to be a successful real estate photographer, but having experience as a photographer and freelancer helps. Running a real estate photography business is much more than just taking professional real estate photos. You're solving a problem for real estate agents, and they go to you for professional expertise as well as photos of your delivery. You will need to spend time and effort setting up an invoicing system, photography contracts, and new freelance clients. A big part of working as a real estate photographer is also developing a social media strategy to get your work seen. As if the pandemic wasn't bad enough, starting a new business has never been easier, especially not in today's digital age. But the good news is that real estate photography is booming, giving you the perfect opportunity to jump on board and start your own real estate photography business. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.